Okay, folks, what we have here is an incline. So we have an incline here. We have a meter stick, which basically starts right there and goes down to here in case you're using the tracker software to do data analysis. We need the angle of the incline, so I'm going to use this program on my cell phone called iHandy Level. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to zero it. Put it on the incline. So it's measuring 5.5 degrees there, measuring 5.5 degrees there, measuring 5.5 degrees there. Actually, it's 5.6, 5.5. Yeah, we'll call it 5.5 degrees. So the first device that we're going to use is a cart. So the cart has a mass of 498 point whatever that says. I think it's 8 or 9 grams. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put the cart on the incline here and let it fly. So here we go. And I will let it go ahead and do a second run. Just make sure the first one was okay. And there you have it.